Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce our wall-mounted product T1. The waterproof rating of this product is as high as IP65. Now we are ready to conduct a waterproof test. We will connect the inverter to the battery, light up the test bulb, then rinse the product with a water gun to test its waterproof performance and its performance in rainy days. Now the engineer will connect the battery and inverter. Now that the battery is connected to the inverter, we can start testing. Turn on the inverter and battery switches. Okay, through the light bulb we can see that the battery is supplying power. Now start spraying the battery with a water gun. Okay, the outdoor rain simulation is complete. Now we are ready to open our product and see what is happening inside. First turn off the battery power and disconnect the battery from the inverter. Now remove the battery cover and disconnect the screen cable that connects the battery. Okay, you can see the silicone coils on the case and the testing paper in different positions. Now let's test the testing paper inside. You can see that this paper turns red when it comes into contact with water. By adding silicone sealing rings and waterproof glue, at the connection, the product's waterproof level reaches IP65. You can see that the color of the testing paper attached to the internal interfaces has not changed. This confirms the exceptional waterproofing of our T1.